What if I told you one spoon, just one, before bed could rebuild your muscles while you sleep? No, this isn't some late night infomercial. This is science-backed, doctor-approved, and it might be the missing link in your fitness or longevity journey. And the best part? You probably already have it in your kitchen. Most people spend hours working out, meal prepping, tracking calories, but 80% of muscle recovery and growth happens while you sleep. And here's the kicker. If your body lacks the right fuel overnight, you're literally wasting your workouts. It's like paying for a gym membership and never going. Why? Because your body goes catabolic. It starts breaking down muscle for energy. So yes, you're involuntarily turning into your own post-workout snack. Not ideal. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, repairs torn fibers, and synthesizes new proteins. But this process needs amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. Now here's the scary truth. If your last meal was dinner at 7 p.m. and you go to bed at 11, your body runs out of fuel halfway through the night. That's when it switches to muscle breakdown. That's when your muscles are screaming, "Feed me!" That's where our one spoon comes in. So, what is this secret weapon? It's casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles for up to 8 hours. Unlike whey, which digests quickly, casein releases amino acids slowly, creating a time-release effect throughout the night. It's like a muscle IV drip while you dream. Casein isn't just some fitness fad. It's been used in clinical studies showing improved overnight recovery, fat metabolism, and preservation of lean muscle mass, especially in older adults. And if you're over 30, you need to hear this. We lose 3 to 8% of our muscle mass each decade after 30. Without overnight nourishment, this loss accelerates. But you can fight back, and it starts with one spoon. Okay, how do you take it? Simple. 1 tablespoon of casein protein mixed in water or milk 30 minutes before bed. That's it. No fancy rituals, no meal prep. You can also blend it with Greek yogurt, nut butter, or a banana if you want something more filling. Warning, side effects may include waking up feeling like a Greek god and accidentally flexing in the mirror. Whether you're 18 or 65, male or female, athlete or beginner, this works. If you're trying to lose fat without losing muscle, looking to recover faster from workouts, or simply aging and wanting to maintain strength, you qualify. This is not about bulking up like a bodybuilder. This is about preserving your body, your independence, your confidence. But won't eating for bed make me fat? No, not if it's the right kind of food. A spoon of casein at night actually supports fat loss by increasing overnight metabolism and reducing muscle breakdown. And eating pizza at midnight? Yeah, that's a problem. But this spoon, it's like nutritional security for your muscles. I started taking casein before bed and woke up with less soreness. I dropped 10 pounds but kept my strength. These are real people, real results. Consistency is key. Just like brushing your teeth before bed, make your spoon of casein part of your routine. Not all casein is created equal. Look for micellar casein, the gold standard. Low sugar, no artificial junk. From grass-fed or high-quality sources. Avoid products that hide behind flashy labels. Read the ingredients. Remember, this is about long-term health, not quick fixes. Pair your casein spoon with 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, a resistance training program, hydration, and a whole food diet. This is a small habit with massive ripple effects. And if you're already doing the hard work during the day, why let the night go to waste? In 30 days, your body could look, feel, and perform differently from just one change. And tomorrow night, when you're reaching for the remote, will you remember this spoon? Because here's what's next. The most powerful time to take casein may not even be before bed. Want to know when? That's in our mixed video. Hit subscribe. Don't miss it. Drop a comment. Have you tried casein at night? Subscribe for more science-backed, life-enhancing health strategies. Like if you care about your future body. One spoon, one night, a better you while you sleep.